Hi, this is Vijay. In this video, I am going to give you two different versions on the RBI's latest announcement. The first version is it will be a positive one. The second version is negative. So RBI has announced there is no rate hike, there is no rate cut. They are maintaining the ratio. So it means that it gives a positive vision for the banking sector. How this is a positive vision? It means that while they are maintaining the same rate, it will be most beneficial for home loan borrowers. So the banks will start aggressively to give bank housing loans. So the housing loan sectors and stocks companies stocks related to the housing loan will be benefited, like Indiable Housing Finance and LIC Housing Finance, such kind of stocks which are concentrating on the housing finance sector. And of course the core banks which are offering housing loans will also be benefited. So we can look the bank stocks like SBI and Canara Bank, of course Canara Canfin Homes, such kind of stocks. And the negative version is RBI said that all banks should maintain at least 10% incremental cash reserve ratio, ICRR. So this will be a hurdle for the banking industry. It means that bank will be facing such kind of challenges to maintain this 10%. This will be a negative version. If this negative version is nothing but the bank stock will go down, and some of the bank stock like Canara Bank, SBI, IndusInd Bank, Axis Bank, HDFC Bank will go to the negative side. And not only this negative version, and because of the positive version I said earlier, so the bank stocks will have a two-way motion from the August to October. So August, September and October, traders can make a very good opportunity in both directions. Option traders can take both call option as well as put option whenever the stocks goes to the positive direction or the stocks goes to the negative direction. So such kind of opportunity is created by the RBI's announcement. Now I would like to say a few points about the Superfans Option. Superfans Option is nothing but it's a trading tips platform which is mainly concentrating on low priced option trading for small investors, in which we used to give 30 trading tips. All these 30 trading tips are low priced. I mean to say that it is just a requirement of 600 rupees or 800 rupees or 1000 rupees or 1500 rupees or 2000 rupees is enough to trade only one lot at a time. So the 10k is the cushion whenever the super chances arrives in the market, one can take more number of lots. So to join the Superfans option, there are two things. One is the working capital is limited to 10k only. No need of higher capital is required. And second one is the subscription to join Superfans option is 7,999 per month. So you can remit the subscription by GP, PhonePe, Amazon Pay, Paytm to our WhatsApp number, and you can join immediately. Don't wait. You can join immediately. You can make use of the low priced option trading. Because why I'm stressing this Superfans option for small investors, most of the time the investment doubles, sometimes triples, sometimes 10k becomes 50k, sometimes 10k becomes 1 lakh, sometimes 10k becomes 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs. Recently 10k became 6.4 lakhs within 24 hours on the next day itself. Such kind of opportunity will be arrives then and there. Most of the time the investment gets doubled. So if you are a small investor, you can join Superfans option and make use of this opportunity. Thank you very much. I am Vijay.